Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. It's video time. Guess who's back? Back again. The fairies are back. Tell your friends. That's right guys, it is time. It is time again for fairies in July. So what does that mean? Well, if you guys were around last year, you know that we started this little Christmas in July fairies. Every channel that participated drew a semi-finalist. And then Dana over at Wanderlust Crochet drew the final winner. You know, there's a whole bunch of rules and regulations and all that will be provided in the description below. But it's time for Christmas in July Fairies 21. I'll be drawing my winner for the semi-finalist on the 15th. And then Dana will be drawing her winner on the 25th. So, you know, your typical stuff. You have to be subscribed to my channel, comment below to be entered into the semi-finalist drawing. And then your name will then be provided to Dana to be chosen for the grand prize. So excited, guys. Let's have fun and good luck to every single one of you. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.